Here's how to create easy monster skin texture and veins. Now let's start with the panels of skin. These are also called Nernies. You're gonna wanna grab some latex and a smooth surface. Once you get 2 to 3 layers on and it's fully dry, start rubbing holes onto the surface with your finger or tool. These holes can be as many or as few as you like. Once you're happy, use some powder to keep it from sticking to itself as you release the edges. Then you can use it as is or tear it into small pieces for your project. The amount of layers you do is going to affect the final product. This is 2 layers versus 3 layers. Also, the amount of holes and manipulation you do to the panel is going to give you a different look. Let's get into those latex veins. You're gonna want to make sure it's clean before you start each set. Any powder residue on the surface is going to mess with this process. Just go ahead and apply some thick veiny shapes with latex and add different branching. Once dry, you want to roll it onto itself, working each section. Okay, so I didn't follow my own advice with cleaning the surface. Some of that powder did get rubbed onto the latex, caused it not to stick to itself. Just apply some alcohol to rinse off that powder. Once dry, start to twist the areas that didn't grab. Now let's do a quick application of the Nernies and veins. Applying these is super easy. Just gonna wanna apply some adhesive to the area and just stick it on and place it how you want it. After you're happy, stipple some latex and that will blend it into the skin. This step is not a requirement. You may find you don't even want this effect for your makeup. Powder it up and paint your monster or zombie skin. If you want to see how you can take your new latex Nernies and veins along with some painting techniques to create a zombie, be sure to check out the next video.